Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this cute drawstring pouch. It is very cute. You can use it to store lip balm, earbud, rings or any small essential you don't want to lose. It is lightweight and easy to carry. Now let's start to make it. Like, comment and share this video. Here I am using two colors of yarn, a crochet hook and a scissors. First I am using navy blue color. Hold yarn like this. Here I am using 5mm crochet hook. Make a slip knot. Now start to make chain. Continue making 15 chain on top for this pattern. Here my 15 chains complete. Make 2 extra chains on top for double crochet stitch. Then continue making double crochet into the third chain. Continue making 1 double crochet in each chain below until you reached in the last chain. After reaching in the last chain, make 4 double crochet in one chain. Here I make a turn side with 4 double crochet in one chain. Then continue making 1 double crochet in each chain until you reached in the end. After that, make a slip knot in the end. Then 2 chain on top for double crochet. At the beginning of new row, make 2 chain on top for double crochet. Next, continue making 1 double crochet in each chain below and complete the round with the same pattern. Repeat the same pattern until you complete 8 rows with 1 double crochet stitch. Here my 8 rows complete. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now slip stitch in the end and make a slip knot. Now cut the extra yarn and secure it tightly. Now I am using white yarn for make a chain. Hold yarn like this and make a slip knot. Then continue making chain. Here I am making 55 chains total. Here my 55 chains complete. Now measure it with your pouch. Cut the extra yarn and secure it tightly in the end. Make 2 straps with same pattern. Here my 2 straps complete. Now using crochet needle and stitch it in the pouch. Full stitching tutorial I will show you in this video. Look carefully. Now secure both ends tightly. Cut the leftover yarn on both sides and hide the leftover yarn on top with your crochet hook. Now your crochet drawstring pouch is ready. You can use it to store lip balm, earbud, earrings, and any small essential you don't want to lose. It is very lightweighted, easy to carry. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.